lupa like, comment, and subscribe, and subscribe, and subscribe, and subscribe.
Why you is nothing? I know this is. So this is. I know how to prevent and cure disease. Come on, for me. How to prevent and cure disease. Scientists of coach are remedy in the form of itching in the tooth. The itching simulates the body to retrieve the intention of removing the object or substance that causes the itching. These substances can be dust or other irritants that enter the mouth or nose. 1. Cause of coach. Smoking habit and medicine for preventing disease and the last other healthy problems. Number 2 is how to deal with coach. And the first is herbal tea with honey. The second is position the pillow a bit high. And the third is keep the bed clean. And the fourth, adjust the humidity of the room. The last is drink enough. Number 3 is tips to prevent coach. And the first is limit on the food. The second is oily food, especially dust, deep fried can trigger coach. Oil left on food can cause eating in the throat. And number 3 is avoid direct contact with the sufferers. Science coach is a disease that is transmitted cord virus. We must keep our disease from sufferers. And the fourth is keep hands clean. And keep your hands clean by washing your hands with soap to prevent coach. Exfoliate after doing the activities or before eating. Coach is not an acute disease, but it persists illness that suffers to so despair. Even coaching often triggers pain in the chest and throat to the persons that occurs when coaching. Therefore, preventive measures need to be taken to overcome the coach that attacks you. Okay, maybe I can